Pakistan, my beautiful homeland, is a land of contrasts. It is a place where the ancient and the modern coexist, where the rugged mountains meet the serene plains, and where the vibrant cultures of its people create a tapestry of unparalleled beauty. From towering mountains that touch the sky to fertile plains that stretch as far as the eye can see, Pakistan's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. It holds hidden treasures waiting to be discovered, places where nature remains unspoiled and the beauty of the land is preserved in its purest form. Today I want to share with you the story of two such places, Banu and Banu. These are not just locations on a map, but destinations that offer a unique glimpse into the heart and soul of Pakistan. They are miles apart, each nestled in different provinces, yet connected by the threads of nature's beauty and the warmth of Pakistani culture. Banu, with its rugged mountains, and Banu, with its serene lakes, both tell a story of a land where nature and culture are deeply intertwined. One, Banu, sits in the heart of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, a land known for its fierce independence and breathtaking landscapes. Here, the mountains stand tall, a testament to the strength and resilience of its people. The other, Banu, graces the Sindh province, a region steeped in history and renowned for its vibrant traditions. In Banu, the past and present merge seamlessly, creating a rich cultural tapestry that is both captivating and inspiring. Though different in their own ways, both Banu and Banu offer a glimpse into the soul of Pakistan, a land where nature's wonders intertwine with the lives of its people. In Banu, the rugged terrain shapes the way of life, while in Banu, the serene landscapes provide a backdrop for cultural celebrations. Join me as we journey to these enchanting destinations, exploring their landscapes, discovering their hidden gems, and experiencing the magic that unfolds when nature and culture embrace. Together, we will uncover the stories that make Banu and Banu not just places to visit, but experiences to cherish. Banu, a city in the northwest of Pakistan, is located in the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It is situated in a fertile basin surrounded by majestic mountains that stand as silent guardians of its history. For centuries, Banu has been a crossroads of cultures, a place where ancient trade routes met, leaving behind a rich tapestry of traditions and stories. The climate in Banu is as diverse as its history. It experiences hot summers when the sun beats down on the land, and mild winters when a cool breeze whispers through the valleys. This varied climate, coupled with the fertile soil, makes Banu an agricultural heartland. Banu is blessed with natural beauty. The Kurum River, a lifeline for the region, flows through its heart, bringing life-giving water to the surrounding lands. Its banks are a vibrant green, a stark contrast to the rugged mountains that frame the horizon. Another natural wonder near Banu is the Tochi Valley. This valley, carved by the Tochi River, is a sight to behold. Towering mountains, cloaked in emerald green forests, rise on either side of the valley, their peaks often shrouded in mist. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. The fertile land of Banu is a testament to nature's generosity. The Kurum River, with its life-giving waters, nourishes the soil, allowing a diverse range of flora and fauna to thrive. Wheat fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, shimmer golden under the warm sun. Mango orchards laden with fruit perfume the air with their sweet fragrance. The people of Banu have a deep connection to the land. They are skilled farmers cultivating crops that sustain the region. Their lives are intertwined with the rhythms of nature, from the sowing of seeds to the harvesting of crops. Section 5. Banu, a Sindh gem nestled near Kinjar Lake. Let us now journey south to the Sindh province, where another treasure awaits, Banu. Located near the majestic Kinjar Lake, the largest freshwater lake in Pakistan, Banu is a town that embodies the spirit of the Sindh. The lake, with its shimmering waters and abundant birdlife, is a haven for nature enthusiasts. Its surface reflects the sky, creating a breathtaking canvas of colors. Banu is also close to the Indus River Delta, where the mighty Indus River meets the Arabian Sea. This delta, a unique ecosystem, is home to a rich diversity of marine life, including the endangered Indus River dolphin. Section 6. A tapestry of green unveiling Banu's natural wealth. Banu's landscape is a tapestry woven with shades of green. Date palm groves, their fronds swaying gently in the breeze, dot the countryside. Mango orchards, heavy with fruit, offer a feast for the senses. The air, thick with the scent of jasmine and marigolds, is a sensory delight. The fertile lands surrounding Banu are a testament to the Indus River's generosity. The river, a lifeline for the region, deposits rich silt during its annual floods, replenishing the soil and ensuring its fertility. Section 7. Harmony and Heritage, the people and their land. In both Banu and Banu, the people share a deep connection with the land. This bond is not just a matter of geography, but a profound relationship that has been nurtured over generations. Their lives are intertwined with the rhythms of nature, from the changing seasons to the ebb and flow of the rivers. The land provides them with sustenance, and in return they respect and honor it through their daily practices and rituals. This connection is reflected in their culture, their traditions, and their way of life. The architecture of their homes, the layout of their villages, and even the crops they grow are all influenced by their environment. In Banu, the Pashtun people are known for their hospitality and their fierce independence. They have a long history of resilience and self-reliance, which is evident in their strong community bonds and their way of life. Their culture is rich in tradition, with music, dance, and poetry playing an integral role in their lives. The Pashtun Atan dance, for instance, is not just a form of entertainment, but a way to celebrate their heritage and bring the community together. The people of Banu, primarily Sindhi, are known for their warmth and their love for their land. Their connection to the land is evident in their agricultural practices and their deep respect for nature. Their culture is vibrant and colorful, expressed through their traditional clothing, their music, and their festivals. The Sindhi folk festivals are a testament to their rich cultural heritage, where music, dance, and traditional crafts are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Section 8. Planning your journey. When and where to discover these gems. The best time to visit Banu and Banu is during the cooler months from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for exploring the outdoors. To experience the vibrant culture of these regions, plan your visit during one of their local festivals. These festivals are a true reflection of the local traditions and offer a unique glimpse into the community's way of life. From colorful parades to traditional music and dance, there's something for everyone to enjoy. In Banu, be sure to visit the historical Banu Fort, a reminder of the region's rich past. This ancient fort stands as a testament to the architectural prowess and strategic importance of the area throughout history. As you walk through its corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of the past and imagine the lives of those who once inhabited this majestic structure. Take a boat trip on the Kurum River and marvel at the beauty of the surrounding mountains. The serene waters of the river provide a perfect backdrop for a relaxing day out, and the majestic mountains add to the breathtaking scenery. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or someone looking to unwind, a boat trip on the Kurum River is an experience you won't forget. In Banu, don't miss the opportunity to visit the breathtaking Kinjar Lake. This expansive lake is not only a haven for nature lovers, but also a popular spot for bird watching. The tranquil waters and the lush greenery surrounding the lake create a perfect setting for a peaceful retreat. Take a stroll along its shores, enjoy a picnic with your loved ones, or simply soak in the tranquility of this natural wonder. The lake's serene environment makes it an ideal spot for relaxation and reflection. Whether you're spending time with family, friends, or just by yourself, Kinjar Lake offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Section 9. Unveiling Pakistan's hidden treasures, an invitation to explore. Banu and Banu, two seemingly different destinations, each hold a special place in the heart of Pakistan. They offer a glimpse into the country's diverse landscapes, its rich culture, and the warmth of its people. These hidden gems, often overlooked, are waiting to be discovered. So come, let us explore these enchanting destinations together. Let us wander through their bustling bazaars, savor the flavors of their local cuisine, and immerse ourselves in the vibrant tapestry of their cultures. Let us witness the breathtaking beauty of their landscapes, from the towering mountains of Banu to the serene waters of Kinjar Lake near Banu. Let us create memories that will last a lifetime.